Do you want to test your React Vite apps locally on your mobile phone? It is super easy. I'll show you how. So let me change the camera. Test. We have audio. Normally, when you are testing your React Vite app or any React app, and you do npm run dev, I'll show you here this command, and you hit enter. Let's try it again. Your React Vite app is testable on your local host, like here. But then if you try to open it on your mobile phone, it doesn't work. So if you are developing the responsive mobile version of your web app, you cannot test it on your phone. Super annoying, but the solution is actually super easy. There is two ways actually to go about it if you have Vite. First is in your package.json to add the flag host under the dev command. And I'll show you how that is done actually. Let's open the package.json, and here under scripts you can see the dev command and Vite, and here you can add the flag host. I'll zoom in again. There you go, host. And then if you would run npm run dev, it would execute this command and it would open up the local host on your IP address on your Wi-Fi, and you can access it from your mobile phone. Another option is actually here in vite.config.js under defineConfig. This is the screen. I'll zoom in again. defineConfig. There is a section server. If it's not there, you can just put it there and add the property host and set it to true. And then if you would run npm run dev, I'll do it again, npm run dev. You can see it here. It will open up not only the local host, but also the local dev server to your network, so on your Wi-Fi network. And here you see your IP address, your local IP address with the port where it's opened. And then you can enter exactly that IP address and the port. Let's see if it is visible here. Here it says 192.168.2.2, and then the double point, I don't know what it's called in English, and then 5173, which is my local port. Maybe if I can increase the camera a little bit. Yeah, I think that's kind of visible. And then you can hit enter, and it will actually show your local dev server, and it will show your live edit. So if I change some code right now, it will live update on my phone, whether you have Android or iPhone. So you can actually properly test it before you deploy it to production. I had a problem where I have this cross button to close the sidebar and it didn't work on mobile. And right now I have the code only locally available, and I can test the solution and it actually works. So now I am ready to deploy. So yeah, that's how you test um, your React Vite apps locally on your phone by opening up the dev server to your local network. I hope it was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, any questions in the comments, and goodbye.